I want to address the social media managers because I know they have a lot of issues, especially when dealing with clients and how clients at times insist, where it's your job to get me people. Why are you not doing your job? So when it comes to social media managers, the first thing I would even want to tell you guys is this: manage the expectation first of the person that you're dealing with. That's your client. Okay, make sure you manage the expectation in this way. Don't tell them that just because you post something, then wow, you're gonna get 501 clients, you're gonna get everybody, your brand is gonna blow up, pa 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 pa, you're millionaire. No, what you need to do is literally now lay down, first of all, before even you engage with a prospective client, lay down, like, first of all, what are their goals. You got to know what do they want, because some clients don't always want sales. They may want to just build brand. First of all, find out what is their goal. Then secondly, make sure that you actually build a content strategy that fits them and suits them. They may, and what actually is convenient for them. Okay, because not every single piece of, like, for example, some clients may not even want to do video. Some clients may not want you to do certain things. Some clients may not want you to post certain kind of things because it doesn't fit their brand. So even that comes into play. So even when you're engaging with people who want to even, like, hey, can you do this for my business? Can you manage whatever, so and so we can actually get sales? You're gonna have to actually now walk them through, like, okay, what are your goals? This is how I'm gonna go about it. This is a content strategy that I have, and then this is how much it will cost you. Because a lot of people who are really hurt nowadays and we're given a lot of work from, you create the content, you make the content strategy, then you go out there and you make sure you deal with the liaise with the client online, and then make sure you talk with them in the way that suits that customer or that client's which got language, because there's even a certain language you're supposed to use when you're dealing with a certain brand. Now I'm thinking on the corporate side of things, that you're dealing with a whole as a small medium enterprise SME. That's, now you got to look at it like that. So you got to look at it from the perspective of, you got to first of all even ask for, like, guidelines, or even you have listed guidelines, like, okay, what are your brand colors, what are your various things that you'd actually want to actually in this content strategy that we have. What's the ultimate outcome? Is it increased revenue? Is it increased amount of students? What would you say would be the expected outcome that you would want? These are the conversations that you would need to have as a social media manager with your prospective clients before you jump in. Because that's the number one headache I've seen a lot of social media managers have, is that they feel like their work is underappreciated, and hence they feel like they're overworked, and yet they need to actually be the ones that guide, and not only guide, they even give proper expectations to their prospective to their clients, so that they don't even want to be disappoint them in any way whatsoever. So I think that's a very key thing that won't even stay for anybody who's dealing with social media marketing. You'd want to look at it like that as you build your own personal brand on the online platforms. Hey, if you enjoyed that clip from my webinar, you can invite me to yours. Just send me a message and let's get it started.